We are back to where it all started in Delhi. Another lockdown bringing the capital to a grinding halt. All civic body employees were on the streets. Municipal schools were shut. Hospitals had closed their doors. While they were out on the streets fighting for their rights and long pending dues, a predictable and deplorable showdown was brewing.
सारी दिल्ली के लोग हाउस टैक्स दे रहे हैं, वो हाउस टैक्स का पैसा कहां देंगे?
Arvind Kejriwal was back to what he does best, and BJP was too happy to return the favor.
कितनी काम कर रहे हैं पिछले 1 साल से, और दूसरी तरफ बीजेपी है जिसने 10 साल के अंदर एमसीडी के ऊपर ताला लगा दिया और एमसीडी को बुरी तरह से चूस लिया.
Mr. Kejriwal, for some strange reason, feels that he needs to allege something against another person all the time. So perhaps Mr. Kejriwal does not have an interest in serious governance.
This is the stinking reality Delhi has been reduced to. No accountability, but just constant blame games.
अगर पिछले साल तनख्वाहें दी जा रही थी, पिछले 4 साल से तनख्वाहें दी जा रही थी, तो इस साल डबल पैसा मिलने के बाद भी वो तनख्वाह क्यों नहीं दे पा रहे हैं?
केजरीवाल साहब केवल और केवल पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं. उनको ये पता है कि ये पैसा उनका देना बनता है, इसी कारण से पैसा रिलीज किया. अगर उनका नहीं बनता तो क्यों रिलीज किया उन्होंने आज?
We are outside Ward 15 and 16 of the Bada Hindurao Hospital. This is the MCD hospital, and these wards on normal days house patients up to 40 in each ward. And today, for the past 5 to 6 days, all these wards having beds which can house up to 40 to 50 patients lying completely vacant.
Why we are responsible? Why two governments mess up doctors? All staffs, why? Patients suffer. We are also suffering from this financial crisis. Who is responsible?
So while Arvind claimed to have the book of accounts at his disposal and seemed to have a ready response, what made him resort to his favorite power play?
मैंने सारी एक फिगर को बड़े अच्छे से जांचा है और पूरी जिम्मेदारी के साथ कह रहा हूं कि दिल्ली सरकार को एक भी पैसा, आज तक का एक भी पैसा एमसीडी का देना नहीं बनता.
In 2012, 13 and 13, 14, we gave 1500 crore rupees of loan without anyone even knowing about it, without even anyone going on strike. So this is the duty of the government to ensure smooth functioning of the municipal corporation.
For the political class, it's business as usual. Whether it's AAP versus Delhi Police, or AAP versus LG, or even AAP versus Centre. For them, it's just another chapter in their fight for control. Bureau Report, Times Now.